Infoman here, and welcome to my P.O.D. Quick Profits review. Inside this review, you're going to see exactly what P.O.D. Quick Profits is, and you're going to go ahead and see exactly what my bonuses are for you if you decide to pick up P.O.D. Quick Profits from the link down below in the description of this video. And you're also going to find out what this is about. You're going to find out exactly what you're going to learn inside of P.O.D. Quick Profits, and you're going to see this method. So without further ado, let's get into it. So P.O.D. Quick Profits is essentially a training course on how to sell print-on-demand products on Etsy. And you're going to be doing this by using something called Printful. Now what Printful is a service that allows you to create P.O.D. products like shirts, backpacks, mugs, blankets, all that kind of stuff. Put your designs on it, and then what Printful does is they handle all the shipping for you, so you never have to pack up a product. All you have to do is design it and then list it onto Etsy. So it's a perfect business model for people just starting out online or newbies who want to get into something that's very low risk and very simple to get started. Another thing is products are always going to be sold online, especially physical products as well as digital products. So essentially with P.O.D. Quick Profits, you have a business model that's going to be around for a long time. So let's go ahead and jump right into P.O.D. Quick Profits and see exactly what you're going to get through this training. So inside of P.O.D. Quick Profits is a training course, like I said, that teaches you how to use print on demand with Etsy and Printful integration. So this course is going to be perfect for anybody looking to start off their own home business. Let's take a look at the main training module, and also we'll take a look at the upsells later on after I show you my bonuses that I have prepared for P.O.D. Quick Profits. So training module number 1 is going to show you how to get started. This is going to show you how to set up your Etsy account. This is going to show you how to set up your print-on-demand Printful account and how to integrate the two. Training module number 2 is all about setting up your profit base. So you're going to learn how to set up your base for making profits over and over again. These tips are going to be something that you're going to use throughout the course on how to find good products, profitable products, different things like that. Training module number 3 is going to show you how to create the products. So you're going to go step by step learning how to create designs that people actually want to purchase and designs that will get you traffic on Etsy so that you can sell your products. Training module number 4 is going to show you how to market these designs that you just created. So training module number 4 is going to take you by the hand and show you how to optimize your product listings so that you get the most traffic on places like Etsy so you can sell your P.O.D. products. And then training module number 5 is going to teach you how to make this into a long-term successful business. So it's going to teach you how to build a store and how to build a brand and how to analyze your analytics so that you can have a long-term profitable business. Now there's going to be 2 upsells within this funnel. Upsell number 1 is going to be the resource explosion. So this is going to be a huge list of resources that the product creator, whose name is Steve, and Steve is going to go ahead and show you exactly what kind of softwares, graphics, and tools that you can use to create better designs and sell more inside of this upsell number 1. Now upsell number 2 is scaling secrets. So this is going to be how to find winning designs and scale them up to make as much money as possible. So these are going to be selling for the front end, which is going to be the main training course, is going to be selling from $7 at the beginning of the launch to $17 on a dime sale. So that means over time it'll get increasingly more expensive and it'll cap at $17. And then OTO number 1, which is the resource explosion, that's going to be selling for $27. And then OTO number 2, Scaling Secrets, is going to be selling for $37. Now, if this interests you at all, go ahead and check out my bonuses, which you can get to from the link down below in the description of this video. And bonus number 1 that I have for you is unlimited Quora traffic. So this is a custom bonus, and this is going to show you how to rank inside of Quora search terms. So you're going to be able to outrank other people who are searching for different keywords. So say somebody's searching for, where can I find a unique Marvel t-shirt? And you can go ahead and answer them and then outrank those other people and stick your link to your Etsy account within that Quora answer, and then you can go ahead and drive traffic to your Etsy account through Quora. Bonus number 2 is another custom bonus made personally by me. You can't find this anywhere else, and this is unlimited YouTube traffic. So this is going to teach you how to rank simple videos on YouTube that you can get unlimited traffic from YouTube and send that over to your Etsy account. So say that your Etsy account is based on a certain niche like dogs. So you can create little simple videos about dogs and then link down in the description of each one of your videos your Etsy account and drive traffic to that Etsy account and make money. Bonus number 3 is a massive niche list that I put together just for this course. And this is going to show you over 500 different profitable niche ideas for P.O.D sites. You could use this for backpacks, you could use it for t-shirts, for mugs, anything like that. There's over 500 different terms, and this is going to consist of different professions as well as hobbies, and these was gathered up by myself. So these are the bonuses. You can go ahead and check them out by clicking on the link down in the description of this video. You can also read more about P.O.D Quick Profits right here. I have all the training modules listed as well as the prices and the upsells listed. So once you click on that bonus page and you click on any of these green buttons, it's going to go ahead and it's going to take you to the sales page, which looks like this. Come on over to the sales page and you can see proof of the profits of the product creator, whose name is Steve. And these are all of his stats that he's been doing on Etsy, and he's going to teach you exactly how to do this. Of course, he can't promise that you're going to make the same amount of money as him, but he will take you by the hand and show you his secrets on making this kind of revenue. So I hope that you enjoyed my review of P.O.D Quick Profits. I'm Infoman. Have a great day.